Dear brothers and sisters, do you know the significance of the month of Muharram? I'm sure you are aware of the incidences of Karbala and other things. Let me give you the historical perspective of the month of Muharram. When Prophet Muhammad migrated from Mecca to Medina in year 622 CE, he learned that the Jews, Yahud, used to fast on 10th of Muharram, and the Prophet Musa also fasted on 10th of Muharram as gratitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for saving them from their enemy, the Pharaoh, the Fir'aun. Then the Prophet said, as it is reported in Bukhari, that we have more rights to Musa salam than the Yahud. So he fasted on 10th of Muharram, and he ordered the Muslim to fast on 10th of Muharram. It is reported in Bukhari. And once Prophet said, if I am alive, inshallah, next year, in order to make the distinction between the Yahud and the Muslim, I will fast. That means the Prophet said he will fast on the 9th of Muharram as well as on the 10th of Muharram. But the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was such that by next year he was not alive. This has been reported in Muslim. Dear brothers and sisters, other significance of the month of Muharram is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said in the Quran that there are 12 months, and out of which the 4 months you should not carry out any jihad or battles. Do you know which are those 4 months? There are 3 months are in continuous: Zul Qada, Zul Hijjah, and Muharram and Rajab. These are the 4 months in which Muslims has been ordered not to carry out jihad. Dear brothers and sisters, these are the brief significance of month of Muharram. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa